We are going to conduct a Scotch Tape Static Electricity Lab. First thing you need is Scotch tape. Second thing you need is markers. I'm going to tell one long piece of Scotch tape. Then you want to place it down in front of you. Just like I did. Then you want to take another piece of Scotch tape. And you want to fold the top part of that over a little bit. Just like I did. You want to place it on top of the first piece of Scotch tape. Directly on top of it. Smooth it out. You want to take your marker and mark that with letter A. You want to take your last piece of Scotch tape, just like I have. All of them are about the same size. And you want to fold this one over and place it directly on top of the other piece of Scotch tape. Mark that one letter B. Now, one at a time, you want to pull letter B and letter A off real quickly. Once again, real quickly. Alright? And make sure they don't touch your hands, your fingers. Watch what happens as I close them together. Look at that. Start repelling each other. Just in case you think that might be an illusion, let me raise these up. As they go closer, what happens? One is pushing away from the other. This is your inquiry lab. You got to figure out why. How about if I go this way? So again, I'm going to put them towards each other. Good. They're bending. I'm going to turn this one around. Now, just in case you missed it, I'm going to repeat the experiment. So I'm going to put these to the side along my workspace. I'm going to repeat the experiment. Once again, take out a piece of Scotch tape, about yay long. Place it down in front of you. Smooth it out. Take another piece of Scotch tape, about the same length. Pull the top piece of that over so it'll be easier for you to pick up. Put it on top of your workspace of your first Scotch tape. Smooth it over. Mark with the letter A. This is an inquiry lab, so you will have to write down your observations and report out. Take the last piece of Scotch tape, about the same length. Fold the top piece over like I just done. And you're going to place it on top of all of your other remaining Scotch tapes. Smooth that out. Mark with the letter B. Now, once again, it is very important that the Scotch tapes are ripped off one at a time, very quickly. First letter B. Uh-oh. Let's try it again. First letter B. There we go. Then letter A. Alright, so now let's go back up full screen. And let's watch the effect. Two hanging Scotch tapes going closer to each other. Look at that. They're repelling each other. Let's try it again. Look at that. have attraction, you have repulsion. So what you're going to do, you're going to do several pushes together, turns around, pulling together, pushing apart. You're going to do this with your own Scotch tape, several experiments, and then you're going to go and answer the questions that I have listed in the Nearpod about the interaction of the Scotch tape, and see if you can actually get them to actually touch. See what happens with yours. Discuss it with your partner. You should be in your Zoom breakout rooms if we were able to get that set up for you. If not, then have fun on your own. But be sure to answer the science inquiry questions posted in the Nearpod. Thank you.